Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of revision of BCR with me, Darshan Solanki. Let us start revising the most important chapter, that is your note making. Now, when I say note making, this comes in your paper question number 7, part B. Okay, and it is a compulsory question for your exam, that is for 5 marks. Okay. Now, what is note making? Let me just quickly sum up. Okay, what is note making? They will be giving you a paragraph. Okay, this is a para. Okay, you have to take down notes. In short, you have to write important points. Okay, so for this, you will have to follow a particular format. Now, what is the format? Very simple. Okay, suppose this is your page. Okay, and you wrote your first header, Roman number 1. Now, what you will do is you will write some subpoints A. Okay, then subpoint B. Again, if you have another header, you will write subpoint A, subpoint B. So the most important thing in your note making is the format, and in specific the indentation. मतलब सब लाइन में होना चाहिए. इंडेंटेशन मतलब सब लाइन में होना चाहिए. इधर तुमने तुम्हारा मेन हेडिंग लिखा, उसके अंदर सब पॉइंट्स लिखे, वापस दूसरा मेन हेडिंग लिखा, उसके अंदर सब पॉइंट्स लिखे. So that is how you are going to maintain the indentation. Okay, so indentation is the most important thing when it comes to note making. Now, after taking down the notes or writing the important points, the next thing that you have to do is you have to write a summary. You have to write a summary. Now, the summary will be from this particular note making itself. You do not have to refer the question again and again. You will write down the summary from the note making that you have already made. Okay, so this all together is nothing but your note making. It is for 5 marks. Okay, in exam it is going to come for 5 marks, compulsory question, very important chapter. Now let us understand the format of this particular note making through an example of your textbook. Okay, let us understand it through an example. Example number 1. Yeah, another most important thing is, like when you are making notes, okay, or when you're doing this particular question note making, you will use abbreviations of every difficult or every bigger word. Okay, like for example characteristics. Okay, you'll write the abbreviation. Okay, now abbreviation, you will ask me, sir, how can we make abbreviations? It is up to you. Okay, first of all, there is no particular list of abbreviations that the paper checker is going to see. Okay, abbreviations will be as per your wish. If you want this particular word in short form, you can make your own abbreviation. Okay, but abbreviation is must. Okay, let us understand this particular question, what they have said. Most twins are fraternal, which means they develop from 2 separate eggs. Most twins are fraternal, which means they develop from 2 separate eggs, which were fertilized at the same time. Such twins are no more similar in physical characteristics than are any other brothers or sisters. Okay, so they are talking about twins in this particular question. About 1/3 of twins are identical. 1/3 of the twins are identical, which means they develop from a single fertilized egg and usually share a common placenta. Unlike fraternal twins, their genetic makeup is identical, so they have similar physical characteristics and are always the same sex. Okay, so what is the header? You'll have to give a title. So title is compulsory. Okay, title is compulsory. After giving the title, what is the main header? They have talked about 2 types of twins. One is fraternal twins, another is identical twins. So fraternal twins. Okay, now see, can you see the abbreviations everywhere? They have used abbreviations. Now this is very very important, because you cannot just keep on writing lengthy sentences. Directly copy paste from the question is not allowed. So you will make abbreviations. Develop का देखो उन्होंने कैसे बनाया abbreviation. इसको की नहीं लिखते, इसको abbreviations से लिखना. Fertilization, physical characteristics. So these are the 4 abbreviations which they have made as per their choice. You can make 10 also, you can make 15 also, you can make 5 also. That is up to you. So पहले fraternal twins, उसके अंदर उन्होंने उसके 3 पॉइंट्स लिख दिए. फिर identical twins, उसके अंदर उन्होंने वापस 3 पॉइंट्स लिख दिए. Now can you see the indentation they have maintained? Okay, these are the headers. Okay, these are the subheaders or sub points. So indentation is very very important. Okay, your indentation must be properly maintained. Okay, headers एक indentation पे and subheaders दूसरे indentation पे. I repeat again, indentation is very very important. Okay, now one more example you have, Sahara Desert. You can solve this. The type 2, which is nothing but summary. Okay, so what is summary? How have they made summary? They have made summary from this particular note making itself. So what is this summary? How they have summarized it? Functioning of ear: sound travels as waves. External ear gathers the waves. Waves are lead to auditory canal. Auditory canal increases the loudness and moves waves to eardrum. They have also mentioned the parts of eardrums: hammer, anvil, and stirrup. It changes weak sounds into powerful ones. Eardrum passes the wave to cochlea. Waves reach to corti. Hair-like receptors convert sound waves into electrical impulses, and which passes to the brain, and brain allows us to hear the sound. So this is the note making, okay, which might be done from a particular passage. And then now what you have to do is you have to write the summary. So summary is just one passage, okay, which as it is, whatever was there in the note making, they have just converted into a passage. That is nothing but summary. So this is all about your note making. Okay, you will have to practice all the questions of the module, plus your past papers, plus your mock test, MTPs, RTPs, and everything. Okay, so this is how your note making works, and your chapter number 4 is very simple and a compulsory question. So make sure that you practice all the questions. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.